Okay, class. Right now we are looking at a picture of several layers of sedimentary rock that have fossils in them. I'm going to assume that the reason it doesn't have layers going all the way across anymore is because of weathering and erosion, where rock wears away in different spots that used to have straight layers. So, as I've told you before, an index fossil has to be widespread and only in one layer to be a good index fossil. So, we're going to see how many index fossils we have in this picture. So let's first start with the gastropod, and it looks kind of like an ice cream cone. So let's see where he is. Right off the bat, you can see it's in all the layers going down, and so therefore is not already a good index fossil. All right, remember we only wanted one layer. Trilobite, let's look at him. Trilobite, here he is. Look around. Oh, there's no other trilobites, so it's not widespread. So that's not a good one. The crinoid. Here is the crinoid here, but he's also here and here, so he is not a good index fossil because he's in too many layers. Let's look at coral. Coral. All right, there's coral, and there's coral. So already it's in too many layers. It will not make a good index fossil. Fern. There is the fern here, and I don't see it anywhere else, so therefore it is not a good index fossil. Let's look at ammonite. Okay, first of all, it's right here, here, and here. So the first thing that's great is it is in one layer of rock, and it is in all of the areas. So it is widespread. So that would make the ammonite the only index fossil in this picture.